Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and this is the articles read series. So about me, collecting these newspaper articles and reading. Thinking I would read them, but I didn't read them, and after 8 years, I'm reading them. So I'll still tell you like whether this article is me or not. Let's go. Green signals. On the occasion of World Environment Day, which falls on June 5, Bird Conservation Nepal (BCN) has put up a photo and painting exhibition, bird painting and photography exhibition 2011 at Nepal Art Council, which started inaugurated by American Ambassador Scott H. DeLacy and senior artist Kiran Malandar on June 1. The collection of 60 photos by professional and amateur photographers ranges between common and most endangered birds found in Nepal, said Jyotendra J. Thakuri, photographer and research officer at PCN. Dwelling on the reason behind the birds going extinct, he said their habitat is being destroyed by deforestation, hunting, and flooding. Flood poisoning is Food poisoning is another reason. The medicine is called diclofenac, used by vets, causes vultures to die as they scavenge on dead cows that have been given the medicine. Divas Panta, a student at Atrai Chandra, said, "Every bird is beautiful, but you don't notice them. However, when you come and see them in an exhibition, you will understand them better and build an intimate relationship with them." The exhibition also included 15 abstract paintings by Manander. The proceeds the process of sales from the exhibition, which is on till June 7, will go onwards towards PCN activities. So this is saying something about the paintings and everything, Like every June 5 they do art exhibitions. That's it. Nothing suspect. Pause or something.